Hello my good friends, your favorite CEO here, showing you our next level way to watch gainers and losers. At the top, you're watching the biggest gainers in percentage since we've started looking, and at the bottom, you're looking at the losers. So just notice again right away, JAGX pops right up because it's moving up the most, and NXTP is moving down the most. This is all on percentage basis, and you quickly zero in on where you should focus: MLTX, PXMD. The trade idea's advantage is simple because we condense an immense amount of data into a much more clear and visible flow of information so that you're never, ever missing an opportunity. Visit Trade Ideas, subscribe, and see why the best traders are using this technology.